this video, I will show you how to pay with cash on Lyft. So first of all, open up your Lyft app and from here navigate to the three stripes at the top left. And once you do that, you need to scroll down and then you need to click on payment. And once you are in your payment, you can already see at the top that you can add cash to your Lyft cash balance. And right now we don't have any cash, so let's go ahead and click on add cash in here. And then you will have an option to top it up online, but that is not actually cash like physical money. So if you want that, you can also go ahead and do that. Then you will be redirected to your payment method. And you can also pay with cash with physical money. And that is by doing the following. And for that, you need to click on in-store as I just did. And then you'll see these three straps in here saying that you first need to find a store, then share your code, and then add at least $30. So if you want to do it like this, you need to click on find a store first, and then you just need to enter your city. So let's say we're going ahead with New York. Then we are going to find a nearest store. And let's say we're picking this store in here. Then we can click on this option, see barcode in here. And this is the barcode that you need to share with the cashier during your purchase. So this store is linked with Lyft and this store is eligible to top up physical money for Lyft. So you just need to click on see barcode like I'm doing right now. And at the bottom, you will see your barcode and then you can just make the cashier scan this barcode and then top up your Lyft balance. And then you will be able to pay with cash on your Lyft app. So it's really easy and straightforward. There's also no fee for this transaction. So you can just go ahead and do this and then use cash on Lyft. So please note that you must add at least $30 in store and you can add up to $300 at a time. So that is how you work. So that is how it works. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.